Hi, my name is Kathy. I'm at the Early Learning Coalition in Pinellas County. Today I wanted to share a sensory activity that you can do as a family. We're going to be making some Play-Doh, and you'll need some things straight from your cabinet. The first thing you're going to need, some cornstarch, about 2 cups, and some inexpensive hair conditioner. This one smells like coconuts, and so it makes for a wonderful sensory activity because the kids will be able to smell this fragrant little Play-Doh. So mix those together in a large mixing bowl, and when you're finished, you'll have a really smooth and fragrant bit of Play-Doh. This is wonderful for small children as well as older kids. The littles, if they have a problem with having sticky hands or they don't like touching things, you can always slip this into a Ziploc bag and let them manipulate the Play-Doh. Another thing you can do for older children is have them roll out letters and practice their spelling words. That's much better than paper and pencil if they're just doing some practice. But all people, all kids of all ages love Play-Doh. I know I remember fondly when I was smaller, the smell of a fresh batch of Play-Doh. And this is something you can make at home with the things in your cabinet.